What did the Fed meeting do to the rates this week? Let's find out. Here are the four things we got after the Fed meeting this week. Number one, interest rates held steady, guys. The Fed maintained its policy rate in that 5.25 to 5.5 range. They signaled the end of the recent aggressive rate hikes, which is fantastic, and indicated that lower borrowing costs are expected in 2024. All good news. Number two, uncertain outlook. Well, the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, acknowledged that uncertainty in the economic outlook. Well, duh. And he states that while further rate hikes are unlikely, they can't be completely ruled out. So he's basically covering his butt. Market reaction, well, that was good. Following the Fed's announcement, the U.S. stock rose, the U.S. dollar fell against other currencies, and the Treasury yields declined. This response was, well, basically partially due to a more dovish than expected stance, from the Fed. So number four, inflation and the economic projection. So here's a projection. Inflation is projected to decrease. This is good. With personal consumption expenditures, inflation expected to fall to 2.4% by the end of next year. That's fantastic. The unemployment rate is predicted to rise a little slightly. And you got economic growth is forecasted to slow down. The Fed's projections suggest a soft landing. I don't agree with that. You know that. And aiming for inflation control without triggering a recession. I don't believe in that either. Significant rise in unemployment could cause, a lot of changes. Now, let's go look at the chart. All right, guys, let's get into these rates. Like I said, here's the charts for the week. Just want to point out a few things here. These are the mortgage-backed securities right here. We started out the week a little worse than last week, right here at 100.51, and then on a little tear here. Look at that. So very nice, sitting right now live at 101.52. So you're 100.43, 105. We're about 100 basis points better overall for the week. That averages out to about a quarter lower in mortgage interest rates. So fantastic. Look at the gains over, since November 13th. Just a nice move upwards. So hopefully that helps you guys. Also, you can see the tear on the 10-year. Look at this 10-year, 3.91. So we broke below that 4% and kept going. So we're at 3.91. There's some people projecting out there 3.47. We will see if we get down there. I mean, I think at some point we will, but I'm not projecting it like next week the sky's going to fall and this is going to drop. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. I will talk to you soon. So the Fed helped out with rates this week, and rates got a little bit better, guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and you're getting ready for Christmas. And go Zags today. I know they play UConn. It's going to be a crazy game. Can't wait to watch it. Wish I could be there live in Seattle. Hey, other than that, you like this channel, click on it. Give me a little thumbs up or subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll see you later.